Inspections and mapping. Founded as a high-tech company, Swiss Drones has developed and produced unmanned helicopter systems for critical aerial applications with superior endurance and payloads since 2013. We currently fly up to 3 hours and can carry up to 45 kilograms or close to 100 pounds within a range of 20 kilometers or 13 miles, which can be extended. Superior unmanned aerial systems can inspect strategic and high-value areas and assets more efficiently and safely, regardless of weather conditions, locations, distances, and payload needed. Typical applications are inspections of power lines, oil and gas pipelines and rigs, wind farms, open-pit mining, rail tracks, as well as its deployment for construction companies and government use. A variety of high-end remote sensors are used for aerial inspections and mapping, e.g. LiDAR, hyperspectral and multispectral sensors. LiDAR sensors can be used to survey and monitor structural ground elevation changes and its impact on field assets. Such data makes possible high-resolution maps and 3D models of natural and man-made objects. The objective of hyperspectral imaging is to obtain the relative spectrum for each pixel in an image with the purpose of finding objects or identifying materials. Multispectral imaging captures light from a narrow range of wavelengths across the electromagnetic spectrum. Such technology is used to detect changes in vegetation and land cover, quality of water and soil, as well as analysis of the geology of a certain area in general. The current use of manned helicopters is very expensive and usually limited to visual flight conditions, for example daytime or clear skies. As always, any use of manned aircraft puts crew at risk if operated in difficult or dangerous conditions. Manned fixed-wing planes are expensive and limited in versatility. For example, there is no possibility to hover or to follow a precise flight path. Also, there is no vertical takeoff and landing capability. Finally, the deployment of small-scale drones is limited in terms of range, payload, and a lack of stable flight patterns and safety in turbulent weather conditions. Swiss Drones differentiates itself by offering the capability to fly aerial inspections and mapping services under difficult or dangerous circumstances when manned operations are not feasible, too risky, or costly. Performing aerial inspections and mapping services with the SDO 50 V2 offers a more efficient, cost-effective, and safe process for monitoring and controlling key areas and assets while continuing your business operations as usual without shutdowns, risky situations for humans, or elevated costs. Please reach out to us for other sensors you would like to use and integrate, e.g. thermal cameras, methane gas and mine detection, or SAR solutions. The setup of the craft takes only 15 minutes. The ground control station unit is included in the package. It only takes 2 crew members to safely operate the SDO 50 V2. A van or pickup truck is sufficient for ground transport to any mission venue. The SDO 50 V2 is naturally made for aerial inspections and mapping services. No human life at risk, lower cost while having higher versatility than manned solutions, continue flying in critical and dangerous conditions, and much more endurance and payloads than small UAVs. Reach out for a discussion on info@swissdrones.com.